I don't need the extra tension, cause I'm in the fourth dimension. Trapeze high in suspension. Now don't bother with the haters, cause they all be imitators. Real life manipulators. Get fit, back up and see you later. I like me for me. I'ma be what I'ma be. I like me for me. I am who I wanna be. Don't need no apologies, just peace and serenity. No thought to the jealousy, Wonder Woman identity. I like me for me. I like me for me. Head over heels, you know how that feels. You think it's out of space, but I know that it is real. Sipping Taco Chico, La Coco Puerto Rico. Make it dance waterfall anywhere that we go. I am looking for attention, I don't need the extra tension, cause I'm in the fourth dimension. Trapeze high in suspension. Now don't bother with the haters, cause they all be imitators. Real life manipulators. Get fit, back up and see you later. Gotta prove it to myself, I like nobody else. Gotta prove it to myself, I like nobody else. Gotta prove it to myself, I like nobody else. Gotta prove it to myself, I like me for me.
It may sound crazy, but you can do this too. All of it. It's easy. How do we know? Because we've made it easy. At DJI, we created the flying camera as you know it. And there's a good chance that the drone videos you've seen online were shot with one of our cameras. This time, we started small, so you can dream big. We created your first personal drone, but we're still squeezing in big power. It automatically follows you or whatever you want, without a bracelet or tracker, avoids obstacles, and comes packed with a 4K stabilized camera, 27-minute flight time, and a whole lot more. This is the DJI Mavic Pro, and this is the DJI Mavic Pro Unfolded. To make it this small, we had to rip out a ton of cool stuff, right? No, it's got 24 high-performance computing cores, dual satellite connectivity, an all-new transmission system with a 4.3-mile range, 4 vision sensors, and more. Sound complicated? It's not. It's easy. The Mavic knows where it takes off from, where it is in the air, where it's going, and what it's capturing. When you take off, the Mavic uses 2 vision sensors and connects with up to 20 satellites, all so it can remember your location. This means the Mavic knows where home is, so it can return by itself. Precision landing technology means it can land almost exactly where you took off, at the touch of a button. As you fly, satellite systems keep track of you, working in harmony with all 4 vision sensors, telling it what's below and what's in front, whether you are flying beside a cliff, in a forest, or even indoors. Just like you, Mavic sees and thinks. That means it can avoid the things in its path, from trees to walls. Any good flying camera needs stabilization. The Mavic's expertly miniaturized gimbal keeps the entire camera steady. Unlike electronic stabilization, you use every pixel from the sensor, and you don't have the weight of a bulky add-on camera. Shooting an epic tracking shot of a friend is easy. Active track technology means it just takes a few taps. Not just one kind of tracking shot either. It's got spotlight, profile, and trace. Or use tap fly to tap and fly. Terrain follow mode keeps the Mavic at a height you define as the ground rises, so you can focus on your shot, not your height. Everything can be controlled using a gamepad-sized controller you can keep in your pocket. It opens up to clamp around your phone and has been custom engineered to give you more feedback and more accuracy. You will always feel in control. If you don't want to bother with the controller, fly using virtual joysticks right from your phone over Wi-Fi. Whether you fly with the remote controller or just your phone, active track modes are ready to make you shoot like a pro. Want to be on camera, not behind it? It just takes a wave and a gesture. Then there's the new DJI goggle. Strap these on to really feel like you're flying. Combine them with sport mode to get your pulse pumping while you fly at an incredible 40 miles per hour. Once you've got your shots, edit everything together in DJI Go and share or even stream your flight live to Facebook or YouTube. Inspiration can strike from the smallest thing: a sketch, a feeling, an experience. The Mavic has been designed for you to take it anywhere, ready at a moment's notice whenever inspiration strikes you to create something truly great. DJI Mavic, wherever you go.
Parrot Bebop 2 is your state-of-the-art compact video drone, and now we're making it even better. Following mode is the next evolution, filming your most intense life moments the way you've never done before. Take off, target, and go. It's as simple as that. Autofollow films you completely autonomously while you're running, pedaling, riding, rowing. Bebop 2 combines advanced visual recognition and GPS data of your phone to provide high-precision tracking. Want to go climbing? Bebop 2 adjusts in real time its altitude to yours. Autofollow is so precise that it follows you with the desired angle. Be the hero of your adventures, whether you are alone or with your friends. Become a movie director by using your drone as a framing assistant. Auto framing mode uses visual recognition to track your friends, animals, or any other moving object. Bebop 2 takes care of the framing, no matter your piloting skills. Discover our magic dronies. Impress your friends with orbit, zenith, and many other automated dynamic shots. With Follow Me using GPS and visual tracking, Bebop 2 becomes even more intelligent and easy to use. Go ahead and elevate your next adventure. Parrot. Life elevated.
I don't need the extra tension, cause I'm in the fourth dimension. Trapeze high in suspension. Now don't bother with the haters, cause they all be imitators. Real life manipulators. Get fit back up and see you later. I like me for me. I'ma be what I'ma be. I like me for me. I am who I wanna be. Don't need no apologies, just peace and serenity. No thought to the jealousy, Wonder Woman identity. I like me for me. I like me for me. Head over heels, you know how that feels. You think it's out of space, but I know that it is real. Sipping Taco Chico, La Coca Puerto Rico. Naked dance waterfall, anywhere that we go. I am looking for attention, I don't need the extra tension, cause I'm in the fourth dimension. Trapeze high in suspension. Now don't bother with the haters, cause they all be imitators. Real life manipulators. Get fit back up and see you later.
Seeing life from the heavens, looking down, helps us be more aware of the incredible nature of our world. That's what our brand is all about, helping you capture and relive experiences that celebrate you as a human. And that's why we built Karma. It's not just aerial, it's not just handheld, it's not just wearable or mountable. Karma is all of these things. It's a complete system.
There's a lot of very complicated technology that goes into making Karma. Our challenge was really to take something that is conventionally very complex and simplify it enough that anyone can go take Karma and put it up in the air with no problem whatsoever.
From the get-go, we set out to design Karma to be incredibly portable. We didn't want you to have to ask yourself, do I want to take Karma today? We wanted to make it so convenient that you would ask yourself, why wouldn't I take Karma today?
It's all in that one case. It's ready to go, backpack style. What's great about Karma is that if I bring it and don't use it, it still doesn't get in the way of my experience at all.
One of our big things was to try and get that profile to be as small as possible.
So we moved the stabilizer up front. We wanted to achieve portability in the product. Moving the stabilizer up front was also important because typically when you're flying another drone, your propellers will be in view. And that will almost never happen with Karma.
The portability of Karma is awesome. The fact that you can fold in the landing gear, you can fold in the arms, you can put the controller in the case, the aircraft with the stabilizer, the Karma grip, all in that case, ready to go. This is amazing.
We decided that Karma should be much more than a drone. Karma should really be an end-to-end life capture solution.
This really is more than a drone. You're able to take the stabilizer right out of the drone, pop it into the hand grip, and take this around with you and get that same fluid shot, but on the ground.
The Karma grip has a really cool ability to be an extension of your camera. So on the grip itself, you get to control the camera shutter buttons, you get to change camera modes, you change the stabilizer's angle, and you get to power on the camera and off. And then furthermore, you can take the Karma grip and mount it into the full GoPro ecosystem of mounts. I'm excited about how users are going to use it to create the best GoPro footage yet.
Capturing your life from these perspectives is so incredible that we really wanted to make it accessible to everybody. People are going to be surprised at how easy Karma is to fly.
When you're out there holding the controller, it feels amazing. It's optimized for outdoor conditions, it's super bright, and it utilizes all the same familiar gestures that you would have on a smartphone. So it's really familiar when a user picks it up.
There's one button, takeoff and landing. There's return to home that are automatic when you press a button. All with the goal of creating this very safe and responsible method of flying.
We've got a flight simulator at the end of the setup process that explains to the user very simply all the things that they need to know to fly.
The Karma system has a feature called auto shot paths, and that really creates this powerful combination of the flying robot doing some of the work and you creating the sort of the scene and the capture.
The Karma controller has this great feature called Passenger App, allowing you to share your experience with a friend.
It allows them to see that live video. It allows them to control the camera through their iPhone, through their tablet. It allows them to capture the shot without actually having to worry about flying.
I think everyone wants to be able to fly, and being able to control something or see something that's flying, there's a lot of power behind that.
We needed to make Karma not only a flying solution, but also a handheld solution, a mountable solution. Basically, Karma needs to be used in all the ways that our customers use GoPro. In that way, Karma has become, in some sense, the ultimate GoPro.
this is exactly what I want from a drone. You know, like the whole thing unfolds, and now you have this aerial capture device. It's something that really blows your mind.
It's magical when you review the footage that you've captured on Karma. You just see things that you've never seen before.
The quality of content that our customers will capture with Karma, I think, is going to change everything again.